What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the lifestyle. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to dye hair. Now look, you're not gonna be dyeing this because that's not possible. We got exclusive Mark who's getting the tips of his hair dyed blonde.
Blicky, TT keep that sticky, new bitch don't wanna leave me, yeah, blicky, TT keep that sticky.
See, I'm the realest young nigga, never switched on me. They say I'm illest when I spit, I keep them riddles on me. I got the glizzy, let it pop, and I see a bitch on me. Know a lot of niggas in the jungle with the sticks on them. See, if you humble from the jungle, keep them clips on deck. And she love me cause I got money, but I'm in love with the neck.
The first thing you want to do is wash your hair and also comb it out while your hair is wet or in the process of being washed. The next thing you want to do is part your hair into 6 or 4 sections depending on what you have. Now we are going to mix the BW2 and the developer. Here I use a rough estimate of what I might need for his hair. You want to have a thick, creamy consistency once you pour in the powder and the developer. Now I'm going to split the parts in half and apply Vaseline to his edges. Here I'm going to hold up to half of the root, and then the tips of his hair I will massage in the developer and powder mix. I continue with the same process for each section and let it sit for about 5 to 8 minutes for the color that he wants. you want to mix the first bottle into the second bottle and shake well, and apply this after you do the bleaching. And here are the final results of his hair. If you missed anything, I'll leave more detailed instructions in the description box, and I hope you enjoyed this video.